So, as you have learned from the cases and the quiz, conflicts can have effect on performance. Now, let's clarify what exactly is the link between a conflict and performance. Obviously, conflicts can be very distractive. A conflict often comes with intense emotions, such as anger, fear, shame, pride, and so on. Emotions tend to overwhelm people and hijack their attention, divert it from important things. Attention is a limited resource. You cannot be fully dedicated to a task if you are exposed to a conflict. So, such conflicts, those that distract, and eventually reduce performance of individuals, and of teams too, are called dysfunctional. However, conflicts do not have to get emotional. Usually, those conflicts that occur in personal dimension, when people attack each other's personality, or take things too personally, evoke intense emotions. So, conflicts that happen in professional dimension only, don't have to be distractive. Such conflicts can actually improve individual and group performance. For example, if they stimulate thinking and creativity through healthy competition. Such conflicts are called functional or constructive, and we should learn how to benefit from these conflicts. So, what good can a conflict do? Research has shown that a mild conflict in a team can reduce apathy and increase creativity and innovation. It can increase team members' curiosity and encourage learning. A constructive conflict can prevent a dysfunctional conflict by allowing team members to express themselves, be assertive, and therefore, to reduce tension in a team. A mild conflict situation can also incentivize people to recognize and work on their mistakes and weaknesses. Eventually, a constructive, mild conflict in a team increases team members' engagement and improves the quality of group decisions and team performance. When a conflict is not of constructive nature, it can cause a lot of trouble for a team. Negative outcomes of conflicts are well known for academics and practitioners. It all comes down to changed priorities. When in a conflict situation, people tend to put their personal goals, their emotions, their ego, above the group goals. People in a group stop seeing themselves as a team. Group cohesion decreases. Too low cohesion in a group may lead to reduced information sharing, counterproductive behavior, political behavior, and many other negative and unpretty behaviors. Eventually, conflicted groups may simply fall apart. Otherwise, failure to reach project objectives, failure to provide deliverables, low quality of deliverables, missed deadlines, frustrated clients, and so on. All these is what you can get if a conflict in a team is not constructive. So, now we know that conflicts can improve performance, but they can also hinder performance. So, when exactly conflict is productive, and when is it unproductive? How much of conflict is considered to be a mild conflict, and how much is too much? This question is about finding a balance. On the one hand, we have too little conflict. Teams that are void of conflicts completely are very cohesive. But extreme cohesion is not good. People in over-cohesive groups tend to exhibit little critical thinking, don't challenge other team members' ideas, lack innovation, become apathetic. On the other hand, too much conflict distracts team from work and damages performance. So, that means that there should be an optimal level of conflict. A healthy, good level of competitiveness, that is, a mild, professional conflict. The question is, how to attain this optimal level of conflict? This requires conflict management. That involves conflict stimulation and conflict resolution. We will talk about it in our next video, after you answer questions about this video here.